What is up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is James Jernigan. This is my channel. I'm known as the Free State Flipper because I'm here in Maryland. I'm here on my rooftop in Baltimore, and today I just want to share with you guys something really cool I figured out about drop shipping t-shirts and how you can do it super easily and super quickly. So I pretty much figured out that there's a website called Printify, which will allow you to really quickly and easily upload an image that you make or a photo or whatever you want to be on a t-shirt, and they'll put it on the t-shirt and basically allow you to drop ship that t-shirt to any of your customers who want it. So that's cool in itself. You guys may have heard of that website, you may not have heard of it before. Anyways, it's called Printify. I recommend checking it out. But what's really cool that I figured out last night is I'm able to incorporate my Printify shop and the t-shirts I design there with my eBay store. So what I mean by that is basically between eBay and Printify, I just need to click a few buttons and the t-shirts I design on Printify are automatically transferred and uploaded into my eBay store with the same prices and shipping information automatically calculated and all that. So basically what I'm telling you guys is I was able to come up with an idea for a t-shirt, design the t-shirt, link the Printify t-shirt to my eBay store, have the listing live in under 30 minutes. It took less than a half an hour, you guys, so I highly encourage you guys to do this. If you've had an idea for a t-shirt that you've always wanted to make, it's super easy to just go to printify.com, upload your idea, then boom, it's available to sell already, and you can take it a step further, put it in your eBay store if you've already got customers, or you can promote the listing on eBay. That's another thing I did. Or if you want to take it one step further, you can design a custom website for your t-shirt. And that's the only thing available on your website. It's super simple, and you're going to be able to do that for free as well using this software called Groove. And the easiest way to get started with that is to head over to my website, reallyfreewebsite.com, where I'll tell you a little bit more about it and how you can set up your free account. And from there, it's super simple. There's videos that walk you through setting up your first website, and you actually get 3 free websites, not just one, so you can make 3 different t-shirt stores and hopefully get some sales and not even have to touch the products. I've always thought drop shipping was really cool. I've dabbled with it here and there. I've made a few bucks, but nothing too serious. So anyways, hope you guys found this useful. If you did, you already know, smash that like button. And if you're not already subscribed, click the link right there. It's the red button. What are you waiting for? It takes a second to click it, so just click it and then go ahead and hit the bell so that you get notified when I upload new content, and I will catch you guys on the next video.